11 Alarming signs that your body is flooded with toxins. Do you know that your body may be filled with toxins? These toxins can enter our body through the processed foods, junk foods, soft drinks and other harmful foods. Environmental pollutants can also enter our body, and the toxins may gradually get accumulated inside our body. These toxins may create havoc inside the body, such as inflammation, weight gain, body heat and other health problems, such as the ones mentioned in this video. There are many measures by which you can flush the toxins from your body. Having detox fruit and vegetable drinks will also help in flushing toxins away. You must also include fresh and natural food substance for an effective detox. Avoid all artificial foods and smoking as well. Wash fruits and vegetables properly before consuming them, as they also may be loaded with chemical pesticides. Our body shows many signs of toxin buildup. These signs may be a warning that you need to detox your body. Have a look at some of these warning signs. 1. Increased body heat. The toxins inside the body makes the liver to work hard, and this puts a lot of strain on the liver. This in turn results in more heat generation from the liver, which can cause the entire body to heat up, thus increasing body heat. 2. Bad breath. If you brush your teeth consistently, chew gum, use mouthwash, and swallow breath mints, but still have bad breath, then you might have toxin overload. 3. Fat belly. Toxins inside the body slow the rate of metabolism and result in fat buildup, especially in the abdominal area. This results in a protruded belly. There can be rise in the blood sugar and blood cholesterol levels as well. 4. Tiredness and lack of energy. Toxins in the body put load on your liver, and thus your metabolism decreases. This results in lack of energy and fatigue. You feel tired all the time and exhausted. 5. Headaches. These toxins also get accumulated in the brain and can decrease the blood flow to the brain. This causes mental confusion, lack of concentration and headache. 6. Weight gain. The toxins inside the body trigger an inflammatory response that leads to weight gain. Also, the rate of metabolism decreases, which further contributes to weight gain. 7. Insomnia. Sleeplessness, also called insomnia in medical terms, may be a sign that there is toxin buildup in your body. This toxin load in the tissues hampers the blood circulation, causing restlessness and insomnia. 8. Skin problems. The toxins inside the body also show their effects on the skin. They can cause skin inflammation, itchiness and acne. Flushing these toxins away will help heal your skin. 9. Color changes in tongue. If the color of your tongue has changed to yellow, bluish or white, it means that your blood is loaded with toxins. The toxins in the blood can also get secreted to the saliva and change the color of the tongue. 10. Gallbladder issues. Liver is the main organ where all the toxins and other metabolites are processed. This results in more toxin buildup inside the liver. Since gallbladder secretes the bile coming from the liver, it may also get affected. 11. Brain fog. Processed food, frequently eating out, or binging on fast food has more salt, sugar, and chemicals than you think. This can cause an accumulation of toxins in your body.